How to deposit checks via Citizens Bank of Edmond app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to deposit checks via Citizens Bank of Edmond app. So first thing first, just head over to your Google Play Store or any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Citizens Bank of Edmond mobile app and make sure to successfully download and install the application onto your device. So once you open the latest versions of Citizens mobile banking app, make sure to successfully log into your account as well. And just locate the deposit option from the application, and from over here you just have to enter the amount of your deposit. Make sure it matches what's on your check, then select which account you want to deposit it into and sign the back of the check and write for mobile deposit to citizens only. And once you do all of that, just tap the camera icons to take the photos of the front and back of your check and be sure that they are on the dark background in a well lit area without anything else in the background or image, and simply double check your deposit info, then tap deposit and you are all set. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.